Welcome to IndianShareTips.com. We are going to derive one sure shot lesson for India from Colonial Pipeline cyber attack. Well, Colonial Pipeline cyber attack was reported as on 9th May via the news media. And just to revise, Colonial Pipeline transports gasoline and jet fuel from Texas up the east coast to New York, and they are able to take up to 45% east coast fuel supply. So they were hit by ransomware attack. This shows the energy sector vulnerability, and finally they have to give in because they shut down all their pipeline transportation. And as per unconfirmed reports, they have paid $5 million in cryptocurrency to the cyber attackers. Well, now here comes the importance that why we are saying that we should not be investing in cryptocurrency, because it leads to hawala transactions, it leads to terrorist funding, it leaves no trail, and tomorrow hijackers, kidnappers may be using these mediums. So remember, your participation in cryptocurrency is going to give impetus to unsocial activities, and it can cast aspersions on your next generation. So today you have to decide that whether you want to invest in cryptocurrency or not. It is better to go with the known devils in the form of equity market, commodity, forex, whichever is recognized by the Government of India, global organizations, and as you know, China has also recently banned cryptocurrencies from certain type of financial transactions, and in a single day we have seen the slump. So keeping cryptocurrency to a side, we will again focus on Colonial Pipeline cyber attack and what lesson we can draw from that as a nation. Just to let you know that USA has a $4 trillion package for infrastructure, and now they are concentrating more on the cyber security. Coming to the lessons for India, the companies like BPCL, IOC, ONGC and Reliance are likely to be affected by this type of activity. So they need to invest in their cyber security so that such a situation never arises in India. Just remember, if we are at war with some nation and this type of cyber attack happens, then how we are going to give logistic support to our warring parties. Tanks are fuel guzzlers, remember this. They need to be given the crude at the right place at the right time. Similarly, army vehicles require the vehicle. So it has been correctly stated that you can fight the war for only that many days for which you have the crude reserve. So this cyber attack on pipeline is a new form of attack, and we need to guard against it. And how we can do that is to wake up the situation as a nation, not to invest in cryptocurrency. And lastly, government has to incentivize these companies that please invest in cyber security so that Colonial Pipeline cyber attack case does not arise in India. Being forewarned is forearmed, and now we have to take a concrete action to ward off this evil which is standing at our doors. Do remember to check us for our MCX crude tips, and we are definitely good in that, being SEBI registered investment advisory services, and we look forward for an association with you. You can get the crude MCX tips link in the description box. Thank you.